So guys, for the first step, you want to get into this screen. Now to get here, you want to turn off your computer from the power button and then turn it back on again. As soon as it turns on, you want to turn it off again and then turn it back on again. You want to repeat this 3 times. So you want to turn off your computer from the power button and then turn it back on again. As soon as it turns on, you want to turn it off again and then turn it back on again. You want to repeat this 3 times, and then on the 4th time when you turn your computer on, it will then take you into this screen. It's going to be saying that your PC did not start correctly. You want to click on advanced options. And then once we're here, there's going to be 2 methods that we can try. So for the first method, you want to click on troubleshoot, advanced options, and then start to repair. If you don't see start to repair in this list, you want to click on see more recovery options. Then it should appear right here. So you want to click on start to repair. It's now going to start diagnosing your PC. Wait for this to load. It's now going to start attempting repairs, which should now boot you into Windows. See if that fixes your problem. If that's still not working, then you want to come back into this screen, like I showed you how to do at the start of the video. Now once we're here, for the second method, you want to click on troubleshoot, advanced options, and then command prompt. And now once we're on this, you want to type in chkdsk space c:// space /f space /r, and then click on enter. It's now going to start running this scan. Wait for this to load. I'm going to skip the video to when the scan will be fully completed. And then once that's been done, we're now going to close out of this. Now you want to continue to Windows, and then the problem should be fixed.